unlocking the combined power of creatine and whey protein for muscle growth. In this video, we'll explore the combined effects of creatine and whey protein on the body. We'll delve into how these popular supplements work individually and together to enhance muscle function, strength, and recovery. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound found in muscle cells. It plays a crucial role in energy production, particularly during high-intensity exercise. By replenishing ATP, creatine helps to maintain energy levels and improve performance during short bursts of activity. Whey protein is a high-quality protein derived from milk. It's rich in essential amino acids, which are vital for muscle repair and growth. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it an ideal supplement for post-workout recovery. Creatine is stored as phosphocreatine in muscle cells, where it's used to regenerate ATP during intense physical activity. This process helps sustain muscle contractions and delay fatigue, enhancing overall workout performance and muscle strength. Whey protein is rapidly digested and absorbed, providing a quick source of amino acids to the muscles. Once ingested, it's broken down into peptides and amino acids, which are then transported to muscle tissues to support repair and growth. A notable study found that creatine supplementation significantly enhances performance and muscle mass. Participants experienced increased strength and power output during high-intensity exercises. This research underscores creatine's effectiveness in supporting athletic performance and muscle hypertrophy, making it a popular supplement among athletes. Whey protein has been shown to facilitate muscle recovery effectively. Research indicates that its high bioavailability and rich amino acid profile accelerate muscle repair after intense workouts. Subjects consuming whey protein post-exercise demonstrated reduced muscle soreness and faster recovery times, highlighting its crucial role in fitness regimens. The synergistic effects of creatine and whey protein can amplify muscle function. Creatine boosts energy availability, while whey protein provides the necessary building blocks for muscle repair. Together, they enhance overall muscle performance and recovery, offering a comprehensive approach to fitness and strength training. Creatine supplementation offers several benefits, including increased strength and endurance. It enhances the ability to perform high-intensity exercises, promotes muscle growth, and supports faster recovery. These advantages make creatine a valuable supplement for athletes aiming to improve their physical performance. Whey protein's rapid absorption and complete amino acid profile provide numerous advantages. It supports quick muscle repair, aids in lean muscle mass maintenance, and enhances overall protein intake. These qualities make it an essential supplement for those looking to optimize their muscle health and recovery. Creatine is generally safe, but some users report side effects like water retention, digestive issues, and muscle cramps. Rarely, kidney damage may occur in those with pre-existing conditions. It is crucial to stay hydrated and follow recommended dosages to minimize risks. Whey protein is well tolerated by most, but it can cause digestive discomfort in those sensitive to lactose. Excessive intake might lead to kidney strain over time. To avoid issues, it's best to choose high-quality products and consume in moderation. Experts recommend 5 grams of creatine daily, ideally after an initial loading phase. For whey protein, 30 grams post-workout can optimize muscle repair. Consult with a healthcare professional to tailor dosages to individual needs and goals. Creatine is best taken post-workout when muscles are primed for nutrient absorption. Whey protein is also most effective when consumed shortly after exercise. This timing ensures that muscles receive the necessary nutrients for optimal recovery and growth. Combining creatine and whey protein can significantly enhance muscle mass and recovery. Creatine boosts energy and strength, while whey protein supplies essential amino acids. This powerful duo supports both performance and repair, making it a popular choice among athletes. Incorporating both creatine and whey protein into your daily routine can be straightforward. Start your day with a whey protein shake for a quick protein boost. Mix creatine into your post-workout shake to replenish energy stores effectively. Personal experiences with creatine and whey protein often highlight noticeable improvements in muscle mass and recovery. For example, athletes report faster recovery times and increased strength, allowing for more intense training sessions and better overall performance in their respective sports. Many myths surround creatine and whey protein, such as creatine causing kidney damage or whey protein leading to excessive bulk. However, numerous studies have debunked these misconceptions, proving these supplements are safe when used correctly and in moderation. Safety is paramount when using supplements long-term. Both creatine and whey protein are generally safe for most individuals. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider to ensure they do not interact with other medications or existing health conditions. To summarize, creatine and whey protein can significantly enhance muscle gains and recovery when used together. By understanding their benefits, debunking myths, and following safety guidelines, you can effectively incorporate these supplements into your fitness regimen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on fitness and nutrition. Thank you for watching. For more tips, guides, and resources, check out our other videos and visit our website